grade students. Hi. Today we will learn a very easy and important lesson, and that is connectors. In this lesson, you will learn how to use connectors to join two sentences together. The connectors that we will learn about today are although, even though, and however. Let's study the examples. Although I was sick, I came to school. Even though it was raining heavily, we enjoyed the festival. He had pain in his leg. However, he completed the marathon. As you can see, in these examples, we don't expect that result. For example, if someone is sick, we don't expect him to come to school. But although I was sick, I came to school. If there is rain, we don't expect people to enjoy the festival, but they did. If someone had pain in his leg, we don't expect him to complete the marathon, but he also completed the marathon. So we use these connectors, although, even though, and however, to join sentences together that have contrasting ideas. The connectors, even though, although, and however, are all used to link two contrasting ideas. These connectors can be used at the beginning or in the middle of the sentences. After these connectors, remember to use a subject and a verb. Examples. Although we saw each other every day, we didn't really know each other. And this is weird, right? He came to my birthday party even though I didn't invite him. He didn't want to go to school today. However, he had a very important exam. Now I want you to choose the correct connector to join the following sentences. 1. We decided to buy the house because or although we didn't have enough money. Yes, the answer is although. We decided to buy the house although we didn't really have enough money. 2. She didn't get the job. She had all the necessary qualifications. It's clear that these sentences are contrasting in their meaning. She didn't get the job even though she had all the necessary qualifications. And the third example, she spoke very quickly because or however he understood every word. She spoke very quickly, however he understood every word. Now I want you to start practicing using these connectors. However, although, and even though. Bring out your notebook and write sentences using these connectors. Dear students, thank you for watching this video, and I hope that you will learn to use connectors correctly in your writing and speaking. Thank you. أعزائي الطلبة، لمشاهدة هذا الفيديو التعليمي لعدة مرات بإمكانكم الدخول إليه عبر الرابط أو الكود اللذان يظهران أسفل الشاشة. شكراً لكم ولمتابعتكم.